In this video, we are going to learn how we can create pivot chart based on pivot table. To explain pivot chart, I am taking example of sales data worksheet over here. To convert pivot table data into chart, certain steps should be followed. First, click to any cell of the pivot table, like I have selected J5 cell. Then go to pivot table analyze tab over here. Click it. In that, go to right hand side in tool section over here. And click to pivot chart. We will get many options of creating chart like column, line, pie and so on. I am going with column chart. After selecting the chart style, click on OK. The moment we click OK, pivot chart is ready based on current pivot table. Now whatever changes we will do in pivot table, it will directly affect the pivot chart. Let's check it out. In current chart, 4 data are displayed over here. Sum of sales, average of sales, count of sales and average of sales percentage. Suppose we are removing count of sales from the value field over here. The moment we remove count of sales by dragging it out like this, pivot table and pivot chart also update themselves automatically. Now we can see count of sales is not there over here. Now sum of sales, average of sales and average of sales percentage is there in chart. Suppose we are removing average sales percentage from value field by dragging it out like this. The moment we drag it out, pivot table and pivot chart update themselves automatically. Now sum of sales and average of sales is there in chart and in pivot table. Suppose we are adding year in rows over here, but below month like this. The moment we add year in rows, pivot table and pivot chart also update themselves automatically. So whatever we add or remove from pivot table field, pivot table and pivot chart also update themselves automatically. Beside pivot table analyze tab over here, there are 2 tabs which are useful for pivot chart, that is design and format tab over here. First click to design tab. In design tab we can change chart style from here. We can change color, add chart element, we can switch row, column, etc. These things we can do in design tab. Now click to format tab. Here we can change shape style from here. We can change word art style from here, background color and many more things in format tab. So like this we can create pivot chart based on pivot table, and after creating pivot chart we can change design, style, color and so on from design and format tab. Do some practice of creating pivot chart in your Excel worksheet, and if you have any question then ask me in Q&A section. I will see you in next video.